just to sum up the 5-day workshop, it's been very enriching and enlightening, interacting with all the stakeholders. We have people from the Border Security Force, the Army, Navy, Air Force, from the NDA, from the Maharashtra Police. From the Border Security Force, there are 3 DIGs who are attending. One is from the Sars Creek area in Gujarat, Pakistan border. Someone from the Sundarbans. Then we have the integrated command, the strategic command of the Andaman and Nicobar represented here. There's the gentleman from the Coast Guard. So I've been interacting with them last 5 days and trying to get inputs from them so that I was talking to this Coast Guard gentleman just before I am here, and he said, see, can you put a 2-day workshop for us specifically for the Coast Guard, with underwater domain awareness. So, over the thing, last few days I've been contemplating, there is this Gati Shakti model created by the Government of India. So we are thinking, why can't we create a Sagar Smriti using the MSP as a basis? We've already got 4 layers. We are already thinking now of how to layer it with 40 layers. So if using all the underwater domain awareness, the acoustic cube and the dimensions to it as a basis for it. So it's been very nice. The response is fantastic. We have discussed geopolitics, all the different dimensions of water. Dr. Dandekar gave us a fantastic talk this morning on water and the Brahmaputra and the water deficit in India, which can be, we need to tap the Brahmaputra and what is happening in China, his deep knowledge there about what the Chinese may do, might do, may not do, all the possibilities there. So, there is a gentleman from Punjab, who hails from Punjab, but from the army. And he's been raising very interesting questions about the North-South divide, the water issues in Punjab, and how it has bearings, and he could relate UDA to all these issues was quite interesting for me as a person.